Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from ChinaTech, and today I just wanted to go over both actually pairing your i12 TWS Airpods into your phone and also how you can access some of the built-in gestures on these AirPods. So with that said, let's jump straight into it. So honestly, these i12 TWS Airpods are so easy to pair to your phone. It's probably the reason these are one of my favorite pairs of AirPods, just because it really is so simple. So what I'm going to do is pull both AirPods out of the case. We can shut the case now, and if you're listening to them, they're going to say that they're sort of connecting to each other and that they're in Bluetooth pairing mode. So now all I'm going to do is go to my phone, go to Bluetooth settings, and you'll see if I go pair a new device, give them a second, TWS, that's what we're after. So if I hit that, give it a second, and they'll all pair, and now these actually are connected into my phone. It really is that easy. Alright, and now that we've easily paired up our i12 AirPods into our phone, we do have access to quite a few different gestures to control our playback, like control the music on our phone. So let's hop into Spotify and check out some of those. Alright, so I'll just grab the right AirPod to start with. So what I can do with the right AirPod is a single tap just on the side, you'll see, is actually the play pause. We can actually play or pause the track just by doing a single tap on the side of the AirPod. So from there, we can actually also do a double tap. So you see if I do a double tap, it actually increases the volume of the song all the way up. You'll see up to the max. Alright, now I've just skipped one song ahead because, as you'll see, the third gesture we can do on these i12 TWS AirPods, as you might have guessed, is the triple press. So if I triple tap on the side of the AirPod, 1, 2, 3, you'll see it actually rewinds. So this is rewound to the start of the song. I'll do it again, 1, 2, 3. And you can see I can actually go back to the previous song using that method as well. So that's the right AirPod. If I pick up the left AirPod now, there are some similarities and some differences. So again, starting with the single press, you can see just like on the right, we do have access to the play pause feature as well. So you can play and pause the track by tapping either the left or the right AirPod, which is pretty handy. So these last two gestures are where the left and right AirPods differ. So you'll see if I double press the left, it's actually lowering the volume. So the left AirPod lowers the volume and the right AirPod raises the volume on these i12 TWS AirPods. And finally, the last gesture on this left AirPod is the triple press, and you'll see that actually fast forwards the track. So I'll do it 1, 2, 3, and you can see it fast forwards the track again. Super simple. Just triple pressing fast forwards the track on the left AirPod, just like triple pressing rewinds on the right. So overall, I'm really impressed with the i12 TWS AirPods. They pair really easily to your phone, but not only that, the gestures on them are actually pretty handy as well. I find myself using the gestures quite a lot on these AirPods, both just the simple play and pause, but also things like the double and triple presses to fast forward and rewind, as well as change the volume. The gesture recognition on the i12 TWS AirPods is actually surprisingly good for these sort of knockoff AirPods, and that's definitely one of their biggest benefits. Not to mention just how easy it is to pair them to your phone as well. So with that said, that pretty much wraps up this video. If you want to check out more videos on these i12 TWS AirPods, you can hit the little eye up in that top right corner, and a few of my other videos on these AirPods will come up. Also, if you are interested in picking a pair of these AirPods up for yourself, I'll have links to them in the video description where you can purchase one for yourself. With that said though, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below. If you have any suggestions for future videos or sort of videos you want to see coming up, then definitely leave those in the comments section. Apart from that though, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.